Water is an essential resource for life, influencing every aspect of our well-being. Whether in daily living, survival situations, or emergency scenarios, knowing how to effectively find, purify, and conserve water can make the difference between thriving and struggling. This comprehensive guide explores various strategies for water procurement, focusing on practical methods for locating, purifying, and conserving water to ensure you stay hydrated and healthy. Rivers, lakes, and ponds are common sources of surface water. These sources are often the easiest to locate, but their quality can vary significantly. Always test or purify this water before consumption. Collecting rainwater is a reliable method, especially in areas with frequent rainfall. Use clean containers and ensure that your collection system is free of contaminants. In cold climates, snow and ice can be melted for drinking water. Ensure the snow is clean and avoid using yellow or discolored snow. Traditional wells tap into underground aquifers. They require a well drilling process and often need regular maintenance to ensure water quality. Natural springs emerge from underground water sources and can provide fresh, clean water. Identify springs by looking for areas where water seeps from the ground or flows out of a hillside. Dew forms on surfaces during the night and can be collected in the morning. Place clean cloths or containers outside overnight to gather dew, which can then be wrung out into a container. Certain plants, like cacti and some types of bamboo, store water in their tissues. Learn about local plant species that can provide hydration in survival situations. In urban areas, municipal water supplies are readily available. Access this water through taps, public fountains, and water dispensers. In emergencies, bottled water and water purification tablets can be useful. Stock up on these supplies in advance and know where to find them in a crisis. These filters remove sediment, debris, and some pathogens from water. They are effective for improving water clarity and taste. Use filters with appropriate pore sizes to ensure removal of harmful microorganisms. These filters reduce contaminants such as chlorine, pesticides, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs. They are commonly used in home water filtration systems. Boiling water kills most pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. Boil water for at least 1 minute or 3 minutes at higher altitudes to ensure it is safe to drink. Boiling does not remove chemical contaminants. Tablets containing iodine, chlorine, or chlorine dioxide are effective at killing pathogens. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for dosage and waiting times. Household bleach can be used to disinfect water. Add 2 drops of unscented bleach per liter of water, stir, and let it sit for 30 minutes. Ensure proper ventilation when using bleach and be cautious of overuse. Solar disinfection involves placing water in clear plastic bottles and exposing them to sunlight. UV rays from the sun kill bacteria and viruses. This method is effective in sunny conditions and requires several hours of exposure. Distillation involves boiling water to produce steam, which is then condensed back into liquid form. This process removes most contaminants, including salts and heavy metals. It's useful in areas with high salinity or chemical pollution. Adopt habits to minimize water waste, such as turning off the tap while brushing your teeth, taking reuse water when possible, such as using gray water from washing dishes for watering plants. Ensure that reused water is safe for its intended purpose. Install low-flow faucets, shower heads, and toilets to reduce water consumption without sacrificing performance. Implement rainwater harvesting systems to collect and store rainwater for irrigation, flushing toilets, or other non-potable uses. Choose native or drought-resistant plants for landscaping to reduce the need for frequent watering. Use drip irrigation systems and water plants early in the morning or late in the evening to minimize evaporation. Engage in community efforts to promote water conservation, such as participating in local cleanup events or supporting water-saving initiatives. Educate yourself and others about the importance of water conservation and the impact of individual actions on water resources. Water procurement is a crucial skill that encompasses finding, purifying, and conserving water to ensure adequate hydration and health. By understanding various methods for locating water sources, employing effective purification techniques, and adopting conservation practices, you can enhance your ability to manage this essential resource. Whether you're preparing for daily life, emergency situations, or long-term sustainability, mastering these strategies will empower you to make informed decisions about water use and ensure that you and your community remain hydrated and healthy. Remember, water is a precious resource, and every effort to find, purify, and conserve it contributes to a more sustainable and secure future for all. Water is undeniably the lifeblood of our existence, crucial for maintaining health, supporting ecosystems, and enabling daily activities. As we navigate the complexities of modern life and face the challenges posed by environmental changes, the ability to effectively find, purify, and conserve water becomes increasingly vital. Mastering these aspects not only enhances our immediate well-being but also secures a sustainable future for generations to come. Each journey to water procurement begins with the critical task of identifying reliable sources. From natural sources like rivers, lakes, and rainwater to alternative methods such as dew collection and plant-based water extraction, each approach offers unique advantages. Understanding how to locate and utilize these sources effectively equips us to deal with various situations, whether in urban settings, rural areas, or during emergencies. The ability to identify and tap into these resources ensures that we have access to water when we need it most. Once water is sourced, ensuring its safety through purification is paramount. The methods of filtration, boiling, chemical treatments, solar disinfection, and distillation provide us with robust tools to eliminate contaminants and pathogens. Each method has its specific applications and limitations, making it essential to choose the appropriate technique based on water quality and available resources. Effective purification not only protects our health but also instills confidence in the water we consume, transforming potentially unsafe water into a vital, life-sustaining resource. Water conservation is a critical practice that complements the efforts of finding and purifying water. By adopting efficient habits, utilizing water-saving technologies, and engaging in sustainable landscaping practices, we can significantly reduce our water footprint. Conservation strategies ensure that water resources are used judiciously, minimizing waste and preserving the environment. As the demand for water increases and resources become more strained, our commitment to conservation will play a crucial role in sustaining the planet's water supply. Integrating the strategies of finding, purifying, and conserving water into a holistic approach fosters a comprehensive understanding of water management. This approach not only addresses immediate needs but also supports long-term sustainability. By considering the interplay between these elements, we can create systems and practices that are resilient, efficient, and adaptable to changing conditions. The impact of effective water management extends beyond individual benefits. Community initiatives, such as collective rainwater harvesting, local water purification projects, and educational campaigns, amplify the positive effects of water procurement strategies. On a global scale, collaborative efforts and innovations in water technology contribute to addressing the challenges of water scarcity and ensuring equitable access to clean water. Each individual has a role to play in the water procurement process. Personal responsibility involves not only adopting water-efficient practices but also advocating for broader change. Empowerment through education and awareness enables individuals to make informed decisions, contribute to conservation efforts, and participate in community initiatives. As we become more knowledgeable and proactive, we strengthen our ability to manage water resources effectively. The future of water procurement depends on our collective actions and innovations. As we face growing environmental pressures and population dynamics, continued research and development in water technology will be crucial. Embracing new methods, improving existing techniques, and fostering a culture of sustainability will drive progress and ensure that water remains a reliable resource for all. In conclusion, mastering the art of water procurement through finding, purifying, and conserving water is essential for safeguarding our health, supporting environmental sustainability, and securing a better future. By integrating these strategies into our daily lives and encouraging others to do the same, we contribute to a global effort that values and protects this precious resource. The journey of water management is ongoing, and with commitment and collaboration, we can navigate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, ensuring a thriving and hydrated world for generations to come.